Madagascar is ranked in the top 3 poorest nations in the world. They're really eating what they're able to grow. My name is Chris Golden. I'm an associate professor of nutrition and planetary health. And so I've always really been interested in these interconnections between environmental change and human health and well-being. Going back to these same villages year after year, you're really able to benchmark what the environment looked like before and what it looks like now. And what particularly struck me was the extent to which Madagascar has been experiencing extreme weather events and drought year after year. That dramatic change in what had historically been farmable conditions drove me into this project. The overall project is really aimed at understanding how can we use big data approaches to understand shifts in food production systems and how that connects to malnutrition. Once we understand those connections, we can then figure out, can we predict those events? And if we can do a better job of predicting them, can we do a better job then at intervening? Can we mobilize the health system, NGOs, multilateral partners to buffer the impacts, to prepare local people to adapt to these rapid ecological and climate changes so that they will not face the really devastating impacts of food system collapse? The data that we're using for this project is coming from a variety of different sources. So we have a unique collaboration with the Ministry of Health where they have provided us with access to their centralized health data system. We then have brought in and overlaid a variety of different remote sensing data that is coming from satellite observation. They're then producing data on temperature, on rainfall, on soil moisture, on wind speed, on a variety of different things that we are then able to use all of these different variables from environmental change and climate change and link that with food production and then see how that then impacts the statistics that we're getting from the health clinics. What we're hoping to do is really embrace this opportunity that has been provided to us by AWS to create these systems of what our team is calling climate smart public health. Using the AWS cloud, everything that we are building in Madagascar can serve as a model and serve as an example that can be transferred elsewhere very easily once people have access to the cyber infrastructure that we've built around it.